Ay. Nice. Nakaganto ba yun, no? Nakabili na ba kayo ng ticket?
Hindi pa. Mamaya na kayo. Ito, mamaya sa kayo bibili. Maxi Productions. Ganun, Maxi Productions. Productions.
May S, di ba?
Meron. Oo.
Mare, bawasan naman ng lamig, oh. Baka maging hotdog na ako.
Kuya, pa yung anak ko dito eh.
Kunti lang po, mga 20 po. Okay na po. Patient. See you sa bakuran. See you sa bakuran ko. Sa mga gustong bumili ng ticket dyan kay mga kanila. I'm gonna be singing with the one and only KZ Dantinga, bitch. And who else? Who else? Who else? Katrina Velarde. Ah! My God. I'm so excited. And I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it. Yeah. Tapos, anong gusto niyo marinig na kanta? Ay, wala. Okay.
Ayaw pa rin ng kumanta action.
Ano bang gusto niyo marinig? Ano? Ano ba?
Sample?
Oo, sample tayo, mga ano. Ano ka, piano ka, babe? Dali. Easy come, easy go. This is how you are. Oh, take it home. I should not. But darling, that's a catch a grenade for you. Throw my heat on a blade for you. And I'm in front of the train, but don't do anything, but I will go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. 'Cause I will die for you, Magre-rehearsal na ako ngayon. Wala, update ko lang sa inyo. Kasi hindi pa kayo bumibili ng ticket na down. Ako ikaw nga, ano? Grenade.
Nagagawa siya.
Sampalan ko lang ito. Action na to.
B minor, A minor, B flat, F. Ano siya? Ang chord?
Ano?
A minor.
But darling, that's a catch a grenade for you. I jump in front of the train for. Pansin mo kung nakabili na ako. Pati ng proof of purchase.
Sa isip ko rin.
Ayan, si Aki. Yung tomboy kong musical director. Yun siya. Tomboy yan, guys. Easy go. That's just how you are. Oh, take it on. To give you all your love. It's all I ever ask. 'Cause what you don't understand is I got your grenade for you. Throw my hand on a blade for you. Jump in front of the train for you. Not to be the thief for you. Oh, I will go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby. But you won't do the same. Oh, no. But you won't do the same, baby. Oh. Diba? Hindi na napanood ng maano kasi. Ay, hindi, yung thinking of you. You're like an Indian, somewhere in the middle of the winter lake. Her heart candy be the surprise center. How could I be better once I had? Pero mga lyrics. The water's out of time. You said move on, where do I go? Oh, pati nga rin ano. Cause when I'm with her, I am thinking of you, babe. Thinking of you. You are the one who was spending the night. Ganun ba yun? Spending the night. You're like an Indian summer in the middle of the winter, like a hard candy, baby. Surprise center, how could I get better once you had? Wala yan dyan, Jolly. Sa ano? The water's out of time. You said move on, where do I go? Oh, will know. Cause when I'm with her, I am thinking of you, babe. Okay. Ito tayo sa ano. Ay, galing. Wala kang ano dyan? Ay, yung kinakopyan ka pala. Nabilib na ako eh. Nakita ko sa
Quartz lang to talaga.
Okay. Kaya kantay natin maayos. Para sa inyo. You're like an Indian summer in the middle of the winter, like a hard candy, baby. Surprise center, how do I get there? The ones I had, the best you sent us. Trying to fish in the water, so the waters I won't test. He said, your lips, I taste your mouth. Oh, he pulled me in, I was disgusted with myself. There, cause when I'm with him, I am thinking of you, thinking of you. What you are doing? You're the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your. He kissed my lips, I taste your mouth. Oh, he pulled me in, I was disgusted with myself. Tama ba? Cause when I'm with her, I am thinking of you, thinking of you, what you were doing. You were the one who was spending the night. Oh, I wish that I was looking into your the best. Yes, I do regret. How could I let myself to let you go down the lessons of her? I wish. Aralin na lang muna to na siya, no? Bago to kantahin sa publiko, no? Napahiya man tayo, wala tayong tinanong. Yung keyboardist, naging balista na. Sorry guys, nandito pa kami at nagre-rehearse kami ngayon for Bakuran Session. Kaya wala pa kayong naririnig na matino ngayon kasi nire-rehearse pa talaga siya. Gusto niyo bang marinig yun? You woke me up from this long. Yung pailong. From this long and ever sleep. Diba? Dami yung request sa mga songs. Kaya pumunta kayo sa Bakuran para makanta natin yung mga pakpilit dyan. Oh my God! 5 na lang ang ticket. Sold out na. Yung EC18. 5 na lang po. Bumili na kayo dahil. And you are there. You are everything I never seen. You woke me up from this long. Kala nyo dyan ah. I will survive. Ganda lang. You woke me up from this long. Hindi ako alis dito hanggat di mo kami pinapansin. Eh, di ba dyan ka lang hanggang tomorrow? Hello po. Si Brina po.
Ay, yung owner na to, Maxi.
Hello po.
Kayo po yung daughter ni Miss Ana po. Okay po. Hello po. Hello po. Nice to meet you.
Ang ganda ng tattoo ni Miss Brina.
Ay, minimalist lang.
Oo, pretty
Si
lang.
Maxi po.
Aesthetic lang naman.
Aesthetic.
Aesthetic. Kung tayo talaga, kung naman isang... Yan na yun. Hindi ka na naman nagbayad ng wifi natin. Miss Brina, ang tagal naman. Ay, talaga may ari. Oh. Ay, gusto ko yun. I know that's my whisper, and I know just how I cry. How to cry. I know just where to find the answer, and I know just how to lie. I know just how to fake it, and I know just how to see. To face the truth, and then I know just where to leave, and I know just where to touch you, and I know just what to prove. I know where to pull you closer, and I know just where to lose, and I know the night is fading, and I know the time's gonna fly, and I'm never gonna tell you everything I'm gonna tell you. Never gonna tell you how to try, but I know the road to riches, and I know the way to fame. I know all the rules, but then I know how to break it, and I know... Ano yung sunod? Game. I know all the rules, but then I know how to break it, and I put it on the kid. Living without you, do you wanna see me crawl? And I don't know how to leave you, making love out of nothing, making love out of nothing, making love out of nothing, making love
Siya rin yung ulit.
out of nothing, making love out of nothing at all. May ticket pa ba, be? 5 na lang talaga, be. Kaya bumili ka na, be. Kasi pag hindi mo ito na-experience, pagsisisihan. Charot lang. Ayun na sila. Ayun na sila.
One night.
Ano daw?
Bakit ako kay Maxi one night only? One song.
Sige, yung ano lang ha. Try ko lang. Try lang natin yung ano, yung verse. You want all my love. in my devotion. You want my love is so right on the line. I have no doubt that I could love you forever. The only... Sino sintonado sa ating dalawa?
Ayusin mo.
You really don't have the time. Tama na yun. Ang taas. Dati, bata ako, maling-mali na yun sa atin.
Ready ka na?
Ready na ako. Ikaw, ready ka na ba?
Sobrang ready na.
Oh, press the button if you're ready.
Yung
Good
sarili
night.
mo, baba mo.
Right?
Yung parang mo na sabihin.
Oo.
Kailangan mo si
All you gotta do is dream. Dream! Baby! We'll be there, no? Ganito lang kami mag-rehearse dito. Chill-chill lang. Mamaya pa yung sigawan eh.
Maaga pa kasi.
Maaga pa kasi. Umpisa pa lang namin.
Lang magbigay ka na ng update dyan. May mga binibili kasi. Para,
Okay, I'm gonna give you some updates.
para hindi hawag.
FD then, yeah. Sorry. Kapag binasa mo to, bibila ko ng SVIP with meet and greet. Gawin mo. Gawin mo.
Tayo na yan talaga.
Di kita uurungan. Chay.
Tayo na.
Ganda ng script.
We have 3 SVIP ticket left. So, if you guys wanna watch me sa aking bakuran, just buy your ticket now. Kasi kung hindi pa kayo bibili tonight, today, tomorrow,
Tatlo na lang.
right nyo bang bet?
I know, 1, 2, 3.
Okay guys, magre-resume na kami ng... Ay, tara. Ay, hindi ah. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I know. Bye guys. Magre-resume na po kami ng aming what you call this? Rehearsals. Kasi pang ilan na talaga namin to. Kaya maraming rehearsals. So bye. I'll see you sa 23, sa May 23 sa aking bakuran. Okay? Am I gonna see you? Alright. Bye. Say bye-bye guys.